Hello guys, welcome back to my tutorial. In today's tutorial we are going to work on PayStack payment verification integration in PHP, whereby a user will be able to purchase something on your website and at the same time PayStack will verify if the amount has actually been pulled from the person's bank to your own bank account. So if there is an error while the transaction was moving on, so the verification is going to confirm if it's valid or not using reference ID. Now to get started, let me show you what it's going to look like by the end of my explanation. That is when someone comes down to my website and says they want to buy something of 200 naira, and the person also gave its name, so his name, his email, then make a payment. So after you click on make payments, then I click on sources, make payment. If there will be an error, currently I'm using a text mode. If there will be an error while this transaction is going, so I should get something allowed. So I click on pay 200 naira. Now I'm payment successful. If there is an error, this log is going to give an error that okay, there's an error with the guy's payment, didn't actually post into my bank account, so there'll be error here. Now let's try the bulk of the error. Here is my reference ID. The reference ID is pulled from the PayStack generation from here. So my reference ID is being returned just after the callback has been made. Then the response is going to pull into reference ID over here. As you can see, this is it here. Now let me change this reference ID to something else, just a random number. Then I will save it. Okay, I've saved that now. So now let's go back to the home page, to the website, and check to make a new payment again and see if it's going to work. Okay, so let me hit sources pay. Now I've paid successfully. There's an error here. Oh, sorry. I made a mistake. We need to refresh before these changes will be actually effective. So I have to refresh. I was thinking. Okay, now let's do that again. Okay, make payments. Okay, success. Pay 200 naira with a wrong reference ID. Now it's sending the request. Now as you can see, it validated it. It says transaction reference not found. That is, the reference ID of the current transaction is not matching with the one I have in my dashboard in PayStack. That's what it's doing. Now how did I get this transaction reference is not found? Everything is being sent to verify.php. Now let's change this back to the current validated reference ID. Now this is my validated reference ID. This is pointed to this place. I got this reference ID from the response of PayStack. After the money has been sent, then the callback return this response into my reference ID. Then I pull it down there into this place. Now, the actual verification was actually sent using an Ajax. I use an Ajax to send it in a post format into verify.php. As you can see, verify.php. Then I sent this post feed of checkout, which should be active. Is checkout that is going to make it trigger. Then I have a name, which is the name of the person, email of the person. But what I just use currently from here is the reference. So I'm only using this reference. This can also be used by you. You can use it in your project or anything you are doing. But this reference is what I'm currently using. So I put this reference into my post to verify.php. Now let's go to verify.php to check what it is. Now currently I'm in verify.php. Now verify.php that I have here, I have header having a content type of application /json. And what does application /json simply mean? I said any response I'll be getting from here using the Ajax should be in a JSON format. So it's going to be more readable by the Ajax Okay, now let me take it down a little bit. Now here we have our core URL. So URL means reference. Then here I get my post reference. As I told you earlier, this reference is only what I'm sending. I'm not sending these guys, but you can use it in your project. This is only what I'm sending down there. This reference ID. Okay, now let's continue. Now this reference, I get the reference from here, I put it into a variable, then I attach it alongside of my API URL. So I return the URL, everything, make it get, then you include your security test key. So the security test key is what is going to actually validate it from your PayStack dashboard. Then after that has been done, the response will be given back to their charts. Here is a response for false. If the status is false, then give the response of this, and if the status is true, give the response of this. Then the response can now be pulled into my alerts class. I hope you guys know more about Bootstrap and Bootstrap alert success, alert danger, blah blah blah. Okay, so that's how everything works from here. And then let's try it again. Let's see how it is. Now I have changed my reference ID over here. So the reference ID has been changed. The reference ID has been changed to the real one. So here we won't have anything complicating amount anymore. So now let's check it again. So I'll navigate down here and make a payment of 500. Okay. Then your email, the phone name of the users. Now over here is my log. So that's how I get either error or success. Okay, make payments, success. Okay, cool. Transaction reference was not found. Something is wrong. Are we actually pushing? Oh, I think we need to refresh. Oh, let's refresh again. Okay, now let's try to make the payment again. Make payments. Okay, success. Pay. Let's see, send request. Wow, it works. Transaction validated. Awesome. Okay, if you like this tutorial, then give it a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more. And if you had any error or any issue concerning what I've written so far in this code, with the Ajax or the verify.php, you can easily give a comment. So comment your error below, and I promise you I will definitely respond to you. Okay, thank you for watching. Love you.